Today we have all new Samsung Galaxy F55 5G smartphone. In this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can record all your calls without downloading any third-party app or without that annoying announcement. To do that, simply open your dialer and then click on these three dots. There you will see the option of settings. Click on this and then click on record calls. Enable auto call record. Now your phone will record all your calls automatically without that annoying announcement. You can use two applications in a single screen in this smartphone. For example, if you want to use YouTube with another app, you can do this. Simply follow these steps. Open YouTube and then put it in recent and then click on apps icon. There you will see the option of open split screen view. Click on this. Now select the second app you want to use. For example, I want to use calculator, then open calculator. Now you're able to use calculator and YouTube at the same time in a single screen. You can set any video or photo as your call background. To do that, simply open your dialer and then click on these three dots and then click on settings. There you will see the option of call background. By default, it will show three videos. If you want to set these, then simply select anyone and then click on set as call background. But if you have another video in your gallery, then simply click on gallery and select the photo or video you want to set as call background and then click on set as call background. It will set your photo or video as your call background, and whenever any call will come, it will show that video or photo. In this phone, you can't take a screenshot by using your three fingers, but there is another gesture by which you can click a screenshot. Simply swipe to the left on the screen. That's how you can click a screenshot. There is another way by which you can click a screenshot. Simply use your volume down and power button at the same time. Press this button and it will click a screenshot. In your status bar, there is option of take screenshot. Simply click on this. You will be able to click a screenshot. If you want to change the UI color palette of the smartphone, you can also do that. Simply pinch in on the home screen and then click on wallpaper and style. There you will see the option of color palette. Click on this and then enable color palette. Now it will show all the color palettes which are similar to your wallpaper. Or if you want to set another color palette, simply click on basic color and then select your desired color. After this, simply click on apply. It will take few seconds and then your UI color palette will change to that selected color palette. You can see here. Whenever your phone will be connected to your speaker or your earpods, it will read out your caller's name. To enable this feature, simply go to your dialer and then click on these three dots, click on settings, and there you will see the option of answering and ending calls. Click on this, then enable the first feature, read caller name aloud. If you enable this, then it will automatically read your caller's name aloud whenever your phone will be connected to your Bluetooth speaker or headphones. There are other features in this setting as well. The second one is answer automatically. If you enable this, then it will take 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds or custom time, whatever you will select it. It will automatically answer your call if your phone is connected to Bluetooth or your speaker, anything like that. The third feature is press volume up to answer call. If you enable this, then whenever you will press the volume up button, it will answer your calls. And in the last option, if you enable this and if you will press the side button, then it will automatically end your call. So you can explore these features of answering and ending your call. Just like in your desktop or your laptop, you can use any app in a floating window in this smartphone as well. Let me show you how you can do this. Simply open any app you want to set it as a pop-up or floating window, then put it in recent and then click on apps icon. There you will see the option of open in pop-up view. Then it will start floating and now you can adjust it and you can also resize it from the corner, and now you can keep using your phone and other apps as well. Now if you want to remove it, just simply tap in the middle and drag and drop to the remove. So that's how you can use any app as floating window with this smartphone. The next feature comes in flagship smartphone of Samsung like S series, but in this smartphone you can also use this. The feature's name is S panel. You can simply swipe from left and you will be able to use your S panel. By this feature, you can easily and efficiently access your favorite apps. You can also edit this. Simply click on this pencil icon and now add or remove any app whichever you want to set or access quickly, and after that simply click on back. Now you're able to access your favorite apps quickly anywhere whenever you're using your phone. So explore this feature if you want to use your favorite apps efficiently. There is a feature of edge light notification as well. So whenever any notification will come, it will show that edge light or pop. Enable this, simply go to your settings, scroll down there, you will see the option of notifications. Click on this and then click on notification pop-up style. There you will see the option of edge lighting style. Click on this. Now it will show all the styles which are there. Simply select your favorite one and then click on done. You can also change the color of that edge light, or you can also change the transparency or duration of this edge light. So check this out, it's a cool feature. You will see here the edge light whenever any notification will come. Now you can read any deleted messages from any social media. For example, if someone sends you a message on WhatsApp and he deletes it, you will be able to read it even after he deletes it. To do that, simply go to your settings and there you will see the option of notifications. Click on this, then click on advanced settings and then click on notification history. Simply enable this. Now you will be able to read all your notifications which are even deleted. By default, this phone comes with 3-button navigation. If you want to change it to gesture navigation, you can also do that. Simply open settings, scroll down and then click on display. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of navigation bar. Simply click on this. Now select swipe gestures. Now your phone's navigation has been changed from 3-button navigation to gesture navigation. To go back, simply swipe from left or from right. To go to your home screen, simply swipe from the middle bottom, and to open recent, simply swipe from middle bottom. Now if you want to switch from one app to another, you can simply swipe from bottom side. You will be able to switch very easily from one app to another by this gesture. You can lock any app or files in the smartphone as well without downloading any third-party app. To do that, simply go to your settings, scroll down and then click on security and privacy. Again scroll down and then click on more security settings. There you will see the option of secure folder. Simply click on this and then log in with your Samsung account and you will be able to lock your folders and apps as well. Now let's talk about some amazing motion and gesture features of the smartphone. Simply go to your settings, scroll down and then click on advanced features. Click on this. There you will see the option of motion and gestures. Click on this. Now you'll see all the amazing features. Let's explore one by one. The first one is to lift to wake. If you enable this, so whenever your phone is locked and on the table, whenever you will pick it up, it will automatically wake your phone. The next feature is double tap to turn on a screen. If you enable this and whenever your phone is locked, simply double tap on the screen and it will turn on the screen. The next feature is double tap to turn off screen. If you enable this and you are on home screen, simply double tap on the empty area and it will automatically lock your phone. The next feature is alert when phone picked up. If you enable this, so whenever your phone is locked and if you will pick it up and if there is any missed call or any message, it will do that, simply vibrate and you will be able to know that. The next one is mute with gesture. If you enable this and if any call is coming, then you can simply face down your phone and it will mute your incoming call. The last one is palm swipe to capture. If you enable this, then you will be able to take screenshot by just swiping your palm on the screen. You can also open any app or any feature by just double pressing your power button. Here I selected torch, so whenever I will double press the power button, it will automatically turn on the flashlight. So to do that, simply open your settings, scroll down and again click on advanced features and then click on side button. There you will see the option of double press. Firstly enable this and then click on settings. Now you can also select your favorite app or the app you use a lot. Here I selected torch, so whenever I will double press the power button, it will automatically turn on the flashlight. By default, if you long press the power button, instead of opening the power menu, it will open the Google Pixby app. So if you want to change it to power menu, simply go to your settings and then scroll down. Again click on advanced feature and side button. There you will see the option of press and hold. then click on power off menu. Now whenever you will long press the power button, it will open the power menu. There is a feature of one-handed mode as well in the smartphone. To enable this, simply open your settings and scroll down, click on advanced feature, and there you will see the option of one-handed mode. Enable this, and if you are using gesture navigation, then click on gesture, otherwise click on button. Now you have to swipe down from the middle bottom and it will open the one-hand mode. You can also clone any messenger app in this smartphone as well. Simply open settings, scroll down and then click on advanced features, and then click on dual messenger. It will show all the apps which are installed in your smartphone and cloneable. Simply enable this, then it will clone all the data and you will be able to use two different accounts in a single app. This phone comes with an AI feature of object eraser as well. Now you can erase any object from a photo. Simply open your gallery and then click on the edit button. On the fifth option, click on fifth option and then click on object eraser, and then draw a circle around the object you want to remove and then click on erase. It will automatically detect the object and erase the object very efficiently. So you can use this feature to erase any object. You can also remove the background of any object. Simply tap and hold on the object you want to cut out, and then you can also share it, save it as a sticker. So that's how you will be able to remove the background of any object. So these were some amazing tips and tricks of Samsung Galaxy F55 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun.